Question over here says if x, y, z be an arbitrary point lying on a plane P which passes through the point 42, 0, 0, 0, 42, 0 and 0, 0, 42, then the value of the expression 3 plus x minus 11 upon y minus 19 the whole square into z minus 12 whole square plus y minus 19 upon x minus 11 whole square into z minus 12 whole square plus z minus 12 upon z minus 11 whole square into y minus 19 whole square, the whole minus x plus y plus z the whole divided by 14 into x minus 11 into y minus 19 into z minus 12 is. Now the equation of plane is given to us as x plus y plus z is equal to 42. That is, this 3 point lies on the plane P. Or we can also write as x minus 11 plus y minus 19 plus z minus 12 to be equal to 0. That is, we split 42 into 3 equal parts. Now why did we do that? Because the question is asking us what will be the value of x minus 11, y minus 19 and z minus 12. So for making our calculations a little bit easier, we split 42 into 11, 19 and 12. Now the question is asking what will be the value of this wave expression, which will, now this expression, when we simplify this a little bit, we have x minus 11 the whole cube plus y minus 19 the whole cube plus z minus 12 whole cube to be the whole divided by x minus 11 square into y minus 19 square into z minus 12 square. So we can write this as 3 times of x minus 11 into y minus 19 into z minus 12 the whole divided by x minus 11 whole square into y minus 19 whole square into z minus 12 whole square. Now how do we get this over here? We have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This value to be equal to 3abc when a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So we have x minus 19 plus y minus 19, x minus 11 plus y minus plus z minus 12 be equal to 0. That is x plus y plus z minus 42, and x plus y plus z was found to be minus 42. That is obviously 0. So therefore we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube to be c is equal to 3 into 3 upon abc equal to 3 upon x minus 11 into y minus 19 into z minus 12. Now the given expression will be equal to 3 plus 3 upon x minus 11 into y minus 19 z minus 12 minus 3 upon x minus 11 y minus 19 z minus 12. These two terms cut out and the only number which are left is 3.